Did your tire pressure, aka TPMS, light just illuminate on the dashboard? It's likely caused by low tire pressure. This can cause dangerous driving conditions and lead to further tire damage, so it's important to know how to identify this light and what to do when it illuminates. What is the TPMS? The TPMS, short for Tire Pressure Monitoring System, is an important safety feature that comes standard in cars and trucks. The TPMS is made up of sensors that monitor the air mass inside of the vehicle's tires and alert drivers when that air pressure, measured in pounds per square inch, (PSI), drops below a certain level. What is the tire pressure light? The tire pressure light is how your vehicle's TPMS alerts you that one or more of your tires has less air pressure than it should. This light is amber or yellow in color and is located in the gauge cluster of your vehicle's dashboard. What causes the tire pressure light to come on? The most common cause of the illumination of your tire pressure light is a decrease in the air pressure of one of your tires. Because of this, as soon as your tire pressure light comes on, the first step is always to check your tire pressure with a tire pressure gauge. Causes of decreased air pressure. Number 1. Your tires are due for a refill. Occasionally, the decrease in pressure occurs naturally over time. In this instance, a simple refill at an air pump can remedy the situation. Number 2. Temperature changes. When the temperature drops, the air in the tire can condense, causing it to take up less space and, thus, a decrease in air pressure. Refilling your tires as the weather gets cooler can easily fix your tire light situation. Number 3. A leak in the tire. If your tire is punctured by an external force, such as a nail, air leaks from the tire, causing a drop in air pressure. Inspecting your tires for signs of damage is an easy way to find out if this is the cause of your tire pressure light coming on. In this instance, a plug, patch, or replacement may be in order. Number 4. Old or worn-out tires. Tires eventually become worn down over time, leading to decreased performance, drops in air pressure, and potentially dangerous driving conditions. Generally, tires last about 6 years or between 36,000 to 75,000 miles. If it's been a while, you may need new tires. Number 5. Bent rims or wheels. Whenever a wheel or rim is bent, it can let the air out of your tires, triggering the tire pressure light. This can lead to more serious problems, so it's important to get your rims or wheels replaced as soon as possible. Problems caused by low tire pressure. Low tire pressure can turn from harmless enough to life-threatening fast, so it's important to stay on top of things. Here are a few complications that can result from low tire pressure. Number 1. Reduced fuel economy. When your tires are damaged, more of the tire surface touches the road. This increases rolling resistance, causing an increased need for fuel. Number 2. Uneven wear and tear and decreased tire lifespan. When your tires have low air pressure, they roll unevenly on the ground. This improper distribution of air pressure can cause uneven wear on the treads and shorten the lifespan of your tires. Number 3. Unpredictable vehicle handling. You have less control over tires with lower air pressure, making it harder to control your wheels. Because of this, your car may swerve around. Number 4. Safety hazard. Low tire pressure leading to unpredictable handling can cause a serious safety concern. If your car swerves into something it shouldn't, or if you lose control of the vehicle, the consequences could be deadly. Other causes of low tire pressure light. Though your tire pressure light is usually caused by a decrease in the air pressure of your tires, there are a few possible causes for this light to illuminate on your dashboard. Faulty sensors. Low air pressure in your spare tire. Failing batteries in the sensors. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.